Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who, back, baby, with another video. Thank y'all for kicking with me, guys. We don't blog much day, whatever, but we pushing these videos out. Hopefully y'all enjoying them so far, man. I think we're getting close to the end now, so we're wrapping these videos up. And now I'm trying to clear some of the questions y'all have asked me. Today's video is the Ford F-150 reliable? So yeah, I guess we can talk about that. Here we go. When I first got into trucks in general, I used to love Dodge. My first truck was a Dodge Ram, 2010 Laramie. It was blue, had the leather seat. It was pretty nice, but it was a not a crew cab. It was a quad cab build, you know. So had the shorter back seat, and I hated that. So I knew I wasn't going to have the truck long. But I always was interested in Dodge first, and then I saw you seeing Fords lifted, and I just fell in love with the way Ford looked with a lift kit and tires. I just thought they looked the best. So that's when I fell in with Ford. Fell in love with Ford, and that's why I found this truck and got it from their direct auto sales, and I had my Ford. As reliability, I don't know what the chart is. I think Dodge is at the bottom, and I think it's Ford, then Chevy, or Chevy, then Ford, and I think Tundra is somewhere in there, so it's tight, and I think they're near the bottom. I think Chevy and Ford are the top two as far as reliability. I could be wrong. Somebody in the comments correct me. But I have the 3.5 EcoBoost engine, guys, as you know or may not know, and I have now had my truck for three going on 4 years. I can't remember. I bought the truck with 43,000 miles on it. I now have 75,000 miles on the truck, and it's lifted, 6-inch lift, now up to 7 on 37 24x12s. So I've been running this truck lifted since I got it on big wheels, big tires. Issues like engine issues, anything like that, transmission, I have zero issues with my transmission, with my engine. And I hate making videos like this because I'm probably gonna jinx myself. I hate making videos like this. The truck has been solid so far. Now, it has had 3 recalls. That is the bad thing. It has 3 recalls, but with the recall, as y'all know, they fix it for free. So it is what it is. You know, recalls are not common on all vehicles. It's not like they're just stuck to F-150s. All vehicles have recalls. The recalls, I had 3, I can't remember. One was like a seatbelt catching on fire issue. I forget what the other 2 is. I did a video on it. It was like each one I did a video. One was like the mat underneath something catching fire. I think it was a seatbelt, something catching fire, and something else. I can't remember. So those are 3 things. They all fixed under warranty, no issues. You know, hey. The only issue I really have experienced with my F-150 is my backup camera has gone out, as y'all know, if you've been watching the channel for a while. The camera just stopped working. There was a whole story on that. Replaced it. Wasn't a camera. They said it's APIM, which I have yet to replace. That needs to be done. Other than that, guys, the truck has been solid. I have no issue with it, no complaints with it. The EcoBoost engine is freaking amazing. I don't care what nobody say. It's fast as crap. It can tow a lot. The turbo sound amazing. Just everything about it. Like, I love it. Now, would I do it all over again? Would I buy another Ford? Absolutely. 100%. I will buy another Ford. 100%. Now, the newer ones, 2021s, I'm not really a big fan of that. Just the look. I honestly just don't care for the exterior. The interior is gorgeous. The technology they put in it, I think, is absolutely stunning, amazing. But I'm just not sold on the exterior. I will buy another one. Now, I don't know about that particular model. Maybe they change it here down the road. Honestly, I have lately been very, very into a 2500 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 or F-250 would definitely be probably a go-to move for me if I was to get rid of my truck here. But right now, I just really want to try Ram for some reason. I'm not sure why. I have always loved Dodge products. I just kind of want to try Ram. But I love the Fords. I have no issues with it. I think I've done 5 things I hate about it. Y'all can go watch that video. This is not that video. But yeah, there's nothing about it. And I honestly think that the Ford F-150s in the half-ton series look the best on the lifting tires, in my opinion. Now, I see some good-looking Rams. Toyota Tundras look very, very good lifted too, I will say. They're very, very close. Tundras are very close. And I like all of them. I like all trucks. I'm not gonna bash any. But my favorite is the F-150 when it's lifted, guys. But would I do a different engine? I would not. I would probably choose the EcoBoost again if I could in my F-150. I like it. I really like the EcoBoost. Like, I probably would buy another EcoBoost for sure. The 5.0 sounds good, don't get me wrong. I love the sound of it, but I love the way this thing performs with the EcoBoost. And it's a 6-speed, not a 10-speed. It's 2015, so I have a 6-speed. So yeah, man, it's been a great truck. No complaints about it. It's been able to carry this lift kit, wheels and tires very well. It does its job, man. It pulls, it continue to pull, it can pull. It's fast as crap to be. Even on the setup it is, it's still very, very quick off the line. So don't let it fool you, man. But yeah, I have nothing bad to say about this truck at all. You know, I've been happy with the ownership of it. like I said, even with the lift kit and stuff, it's been reliable. It's been a reliable truck. It has not spent much time at the dealership at all. I think since I had the truck, it's probably spent the night at the dealership twice. One was for the camera issue, and then no, one time. That was it for the camera issue. They tried to fix it, and they had to order another part. They got it the next day. So it's only has spent the night at the dealership one time since I owned it. Other than that, it has not stayed in the shop. It stays with me, and I prefer to keep it that way. But I do my regular maintenance and things like that on the truck. I try not to miss any of that stuff. So take that for what you want, but that's just my experience with it. So comment below your experience with your truck. That's it. That's all I got. It's your boy Q. Catch y'all next one. Peace.